Hey guys, welcome to part one of the Jeep Power Wheels build. I just want to give some context to the video. I've recorded this a while ago, so some of the footage is old and I've lost some audio on some of it. But basically just want to explain that I'm using the XTM250 quad front end of it. It's for the A-arms and for the brakes, just so that I can get some brakes on the front. That's why I'm using that. As well as I'm using a CRF 450 that I had a broken top end. I did buy a second-hand one on eBay and a new gasket, and I've replaced that. I've got some footage of that. I'll put it on the second video, but this is the part one of it, so enjoy. Got the body on here, which starts to look like something. Just got it on the trestles there, but yeah, got it all marked up. So just want to see what the gap is from there, from the wheel to there, so that I can start making it look a little square frame. I'm going to chop the body here, extend it to 100mm. I think that should be enough. But I've got an hour or two to kill, so I'm thinking I tried to heat this up, and because on the body, you can see on the body line there's a bit of a bend inwards, so I tried to heat it up and bend it. It's not working, so I'm just going to make a relief cut and then bend it in that little bit. And then today I'm going to try and take this out, clean it up a little bit there, and then try and bend the two 45s that go connect these two, so that I can connect this to this little frame, and hopefully I can get that done today. So I'll quickly take that one off and clean that up, and then we'll start on that and see how we go. after the fourth time, well, third time on that one was the fourth, but it did give me issues, so I had to trim it a little bit. So anyways, looks good from here. It's pretty good. So what I've done here is I kind of marked where the seat mounting locations were, and same with that, where they kind of mount, so I can just make a little tab to go off of that, and then yeah, that's what I did. So I just went on the sides of that. So if I grab this seat, see, so, even though those ones I'm not going to really do much, but yeah, this way, anyways, kind of get the idea. So just a little tab there, that will hold the whole thing in. Yeah, that will sort it out. Anyway, that's thinking I'm going to do these bars from there to there next. So guys, just thank you for watching. I just want to give you guys a sneak peek to, you might have seen that in the start of the video, but this is how far it is. I just want to show, as well as, I don't know, leave me a comment. I just want to show you guys about this. My plan is to do the shock mounts for today. So, I don't know what you guys think. There's not much left of this plastic, is there? But this is what it looks like in the front. So this is kind of, I had to stitch these pieces together. My bender can't really bend this in one piece. I did try that, but it doesn't want to bend it in one piece. But yeah, this is how far it is. Today I'm going to do the shock mounts and the 4-link for the back. But that was part 1. Stay tuned for part 2.